Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about soya milk, how to prepare soya milk at home. But before we move further, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Back to today's business. Soya milk. To prepare soya milk, you need soya beans itself. So purchase your soya beans in the market, then you rinse your soya beans. Try to rinse it as much as possible. This is to remove dirt. You need to rinse it as much as you can. Just make sure the water becomes white. So I'll be rinsing it about 3 times. So as you can see, the water is getting more brighter. So I keep that for about 10 hours. So I left it overnight. This is what I have the following morning. You can also put hot water to soak it, but I just did cold water and I have a good result. So the next thing is to wash it out. So you need to rinse the fermentation of our soya beans. Then some people peel it. Since we are going to sieve and remove the shaft, so I don't think we need to peel it, but some people take their time to peel it in order to have more milk. They believe that might give them more probability of seeing more milk. I'm rinsing. Then one other thing, while rinsing, I'll take it out so that the sand that is below does not come out of it. That is why I'm using this kind of spoon to bring it out. So I keep cleaning. I cleaned, I think I rinsed for about 4-5 times before the water could be this pure. So this is my soya beans. So I'll be grinding it in batches. Since I have a good blender, so I'm using my blender to grind. So you put in, make sure the water goes above the beans. I'm grinding in batches. So I'll be taking it off and see what I have right now. I have a very smooth grinded solution. I'll be pouring this out. Then I keep doing that in batches till I have everything grinded. So taking the second batch out, I think this will go for about 3 or 4 batches. Okay, that's the second batch. So we are going for the third batch. After everything is being grinded, we sieve. We try to remove the milk from the shaft. So squeeze the milk out. If it is very thick like I have now, you can pour little water to make it go, so that you have more water to make it go. But the only thing is you need to be careful so that it is not too watery. So this is the milk I have. So I'll be putting these into containers, then we cook. So I'll be cooking. I'm not returning the spoon to the milk without rinsing, otherwise I'll be bringing some shaft back to the milk. I have 2 pots right now. I'm putting it on fire on a low heat. The reason why you need to put this on low heat, it's because to rise, you can see everything had poured out. So it will rise by itself and would overpower the fire by pouring on the fire. The logic is to keep stirring. Even when it is rising and you stir, it will go down. So as you can see, that layer on top signifies that it is getting ready. So immediately that layer goes on top, you know that your soya milk is ready for drinking. But I'll still want to cook more to be double sure that it is well cooked. So this is an experiment. See, it is rising right now. So I'll put my spoon inside and stir, and before you know it, it goes down. So that's the logic. You make sure you don't go away from your milk and stir as often as possible. So this is our milk, and we'll take the uppermost part away. After it is being cooled down, you still have the layer, that top layer. So you take that away. You can heat that also with sugar. So you can use dates, you can use sugar, you can use sweeteners to sweeten it. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you very much.